Sinoeuro Machinery is a leading brand for wood base panels machinery, mainly manufacture veneer peeling machine, plywood machinery, artificial board line solutions, plant with factory layout, design, and processing technology support. Our factory covers 70,000 square meters with 50 R&D technicians for installation and after-sales service. We have professional engineers support, high-efficiency sales team, and competitive price superiority, and attract customers from all over the world. We are committed to provide complete solutions for veneer, plywood LVL, blockboard, particle board, OSB MDF production line. Main equipment include log debarca, veneer peeling machine, veneer dryer glue spreader, pre-press, hot press, core composer, cutting saw with sanding machine, boiler and related plant accessories and materials, as well as full automatic assembling line. Our products are CE approved, and it can ensure quality. We give 1-year warranty and 24 hours online free service. Our engineers are available to go abroad for machine installation and worker training in regular time. We also provide with production technology support on customers' projects like technology transfer, flowchart drawing, optimization of manufacturing processes, automation improvement, plant construction, and production material supply, etc. Each machine can be customized with OEM We value commitments, quality assurance, clients-focused, and service-driven. Sinoeuro is your trustworthy partner. We sincerely welcome your kind inquiry and visit our factory.
We provide plywood, particle board, OSB, and MDF product line to your requirements. Welcome to Sinoeuro.